Right. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my channel once again with another episode. I want to say something. I want to speak about something. And I don't have a problem to share what I want to share in this video right now. I don't have any problem because when I opened this YouTube channel, I knew that once upon a time or here and there, I'm going to share some of my personal stories, personal issues, or personal matters happening to me, or that happened to me, or that shall happen to me. So I don't have a problem to share what I want to share right now. So before I talk, I just want to clear this air or clear this ground and say, no, don't be worried. I'm also not worried. Don't be stressed. I'm also not stressed. You understand? For me to share what I want to share right now in this video. Right. So you saw the video title to do with my girlfriend, my South African girlfriend. And I never knew that this day would come. And I never saw it coming. Like this day gonna happen. Whereby I'm going to split or I'm going to separate or I'm going to break up with my girlfriend or my woman. I never saw this day coming. I never knew a thing like this would happen because of the way that myself and her were loving each other. Everything was fine. Everything was good. Everything was okay. But then I just don't know what happened. I just don't know what happened. So the video title is true. Everything is original and genuine. There's no lie about it. And I'm just in a position to share what happened between me and her. So this girl was a South African from Johannesburg, and she was Sotho from another tribe. She was not from my country. She was not from my tribe. She was from another country. She was Sotho and from Johannesburg. So I met her when I was there in that country, South Africa. Then we had a good time, we had a nice time. And according to our plans, according to everything, I was thinking that maybe one day she's gonna be the final one. She's gonna be the one for me. But maybe whatever happened, I don't know. Maybe it was never meant to be. Maybe we were never meant to be together. So as I talk to you now, I'm talking from pain. I'm talking from deep emotions, deep feelings, deep pain on what happened. So, oh, I'm talking from pain. I'm talking from deep feelings, deep emotions. I thought she's going to be the one for me. I was thinking that maybe she's the one for me. But how things turned out to be is something else. The opposite of what I was thinking, the opposite of what I was planning, the opposite of what I was organizing, and the opposite of what I was strategizing in my mind. So, like I said before, I don't have a problem to share this story or to share this part of my life, this matter in my life. I don't have a problem because when I opened this channel, when I opened this page, YouTube page, I knew that one day I'll be coming here over and over again, times and times again, to share my personal issues, personal stories, which some people may think to be private, which some people may think, you don't need to share that kind of stuff. You don't need to talk about that on a public platform, on a public area, on a public domain like YouTube. But for me, I don't have a problem to talk about that. I knew from day one that I'll be coming a lot of times here on YouTube and share about my personal stories, whether good or bad, success or failure, achievements or no achievements, accomplishments or no accomplishments. So today, this is my update. This is my story. You understand? Because I remember some other time I came here on YouTube, on my channel, on my page. Then I spoke about, talking to me that, no, I want to come to Zimbabwe. I want to see Zimbabwe. And then we agreed. And we were making plans for that to happen so that she can come to Zimbabwe. But she was dying to see Zimbabwe. She was wishing that she could see this country, Zimbabwe. But she told me that, when you have been in South Africa for many, many years, you know South Africa or you understand South Africa. You are familiar now with South Africa. You're acquainted with South Africa. So it's now my turn. It's now my chance for me to come to Zimbabwe and see Zimbabwe. Then I said, okay. So that was the plan. That was the issue that we were busy working on, that we were busy organizing from 2 months ago, from 3 months ago, when she spoke to me about that. But then things happened, and now I'm here. We are no longer together. We broke up, we separated, we split up. It's fine. I'm going to take it like that. I'm going to accept it like that. I'm going to take it like that. I'm going to accept it like that. And I move on, and I press the next button, and she's going to move on. She's going to press the next button. That is life. Life for me, life for her, life for everybody. As far as the relationships are concerned, as far as love, dating is concerned, that is life. But I'm happy that everything ended on a very good note, on a very nice note, on a very beautiful note. Everything ended in a nice way. In a nice way. You understand? I'm happy for that. So this is the update. This is the update. People who follow me, people who follow me, yeah, this is happening. I'm sorry, I'm struggling to talk. I'm struggling or I'm failing to talk because of things of this nature, because of things of this caliber, things of this pedigree. But it's fine. But it's fine. So she's in a country, South Africa. She's now in Cape Town. I'm here in my country, Zimbabwe, and I'll do what I'll do. Then I wish her all the best. I wish her all the best of luck, and she's also uh, wishing me the best of luck. She's also wishing me the best of everything. Yeah, so I think that's what I can say for now. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.